Hi there, Kieran here at John Banks Suzuki in Bury St Edmunds. We've got this lovely used bit of stock that's come in. This is the Toyota Yaris Excellence, finished in this lovely, brilliant white colour. This being the Excellence is a very high spec model. It's automatic. As you can see, it's 2 years old on a 71 plate. Front and rear parking sensors, diamond cut alloy wheels. Wing mirrors also have blind spot indicators built into them. Keyless entry and push to start. This is a lovely little hybrid car, self-charging, no need to plug it in. Rear sensors, as you can see, and a rear camera just there. Great boot space. Lovely interior, nice cream effect with what looks like recycled parts as well. Very nice finish to the car. You can see recycled materials used here. Part leather, part cloth interior. Very high spec, all electric windows, electric folding mirrors, adaptive cruise control with speed limiter, voice command, automatic lights, automatic wipers, digital display with rev counter there, and your electric vehicle mode just there, showing you all your positions which are connected to the CVT gearbox here. Your drive mode, ability to go into electric mode, electric handbrake, and your infotainment system just up here. All in all, it's a lovely little family hatchback. Great for nipping around town. If you are interested in having a look at this car, please do come down and see us or give us a call 01284 715 028 or visit us at Kempton Way, IP32 7AR. We look forward to seeing you soon.